Let's take a look at the S&P 500. 3 weeks ago, the bulls of S&P 500 managed to cross above the 2,300 level. And currently, they continue to press on, and they are still staying above the 2,300 level. And this is the third week that the bulls are above the 2,300 level. This is bullish for the S&P 500. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Similarly, Dow Jones crossed the resistance and created the start of the upwards run. And in the recent week, they managed to close even higher. This is still bullish for the Dow Jones. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. After crossing the 5,000 level, the bulls have been charging. And they have charged higher and crossed resistance. And in the recent week, they closed higher. But the thing is, it has a smaller range. So NASDAQ is not as bullish as the rest of the indices. Let's take a look at Russell 2000. After being confined in the channel for such a long time, in the previous week, Russell managed to cross above the channel. But in the recent week, it has dropped a little bit and is still staying at the upper line of the channel. I would like to see more action from the bulls in the Russell 2000. Let's have a look at volatility now. We know that July 2015, August market crash, September market dropped in 2016. Now, we have in February, VIX continue to stay below the $12 level. And this is one of the longest period in which the market is getting too complacent. Let's take a look now at the treasury bonds. The treasury bonds is struggling at the $120 level in the previous week, but in this current week, it managed to stay above the $120 level and seems to be rebounding off this support level. Let's take a look at the Japanese yen. Japanese yen has rebounded off $82 level at the start of 2017, and now it continues to stay above this $82 level. So it continues to remain strong. How about the US dollar? We know that $100 level is a very strong support and resistance level. And in the middle of January, it has rebounded off the $100 level. Now, in the past 2 weeks, we have seen consecutive indecision bars. This is of concern to the bulls. If they want to go higher, they need to strike fast. And they need to show us that they have a positive bar above the recent 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the overall indices. S&P 500 continue to remain bullish. Dow Jones will be staying bullish as well. NASDAQ is bullish, but the bulls need to show more. Russell 2000 has created the upwards move above the channel, but it needs to show that it's going to go higher. VIX currently market is complacent, but it's not going anywhere except the $12 level. Bonds seems to be rebounding off the $120 level and seems to be bullish. Japanese yen stays above $82 level and remains to be bullish. Dollar has 2 consecutive indecision bars. The bulls need to show more in order to go higher.